Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. In your closet, in your secret moments, please say a word of prayer to both Nigeria and Nigerians. Nigerians are actually going through a lot right now, so much tense situations. Well, as we speak, the indigenous people of Biafra, via the spokesperson Ima Powerful, have decided to call out the governors of southeastern region. Don't forget, a lot has been happening in that region. Some hours ago, barely 48 hours actually, there was a prison break in correctional centers, and the correctional center was opened, releasing over 1,500 inmates. But some hours ago, just barely 2 hours ago, as at the time of filing this report, another one took place in the same Imo state, Mbano in particular. A police station was also, I think, raised down as well. It's really getting very messy. But right now, IPOB is actually speaking to the governors, and they have this to say. Before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is they're saying, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, as of today, IPOB, I'm going to read exactly the words that my powerful had written, and just bear with me as I say it exactly the way it is. So, we, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, read with great amusement the lamentation and crocodile tears by Governor David Umahi over last week's massacre of innocent people in Ebonyi and the Enugu communities. How come Umahi and his fellow Southeast governors are waking up from sleep? Our message is simple. Good morning to you all. Well, Umahi on Sunday, while receiving Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, who came on condolence visit, said governors of the region were currently hiding their faces in shame. This was Umahi's lamentation. Even when the killings happened, very unprovoked taking down of persons, some people said they gave the governor of Ebonyi State 21 days to resign. We have been called all kinds of names, and we feel ashamed that the same people we fight for day and night, as in the same Fulanis or the same persons we fight for day and night as governors and leaders of Southeast to ensure the oneness of this country would know about things that are about to go down in the Ebonyi State, and they were asked to leave, and they left, and we were slaughtered and killed. What face do we have then to face our own people? We feel so ashamed to face our people. Umahi, you woke up late. That's IPOB in my powerful speaking now. Said, Umahi, you woke up late. When our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, was warning you and your fellow saboteurs, you called him a miscreant. You and your fellow treacherous, self-acclaimed Igbo leaders hurriedly outlawed indigenous people of Biafra, a peaceful movement, and prepared the ground for the federal government to tag us terrorists. You puppet Igbo leaders, in your bid to please your slave masters, approved Operation Python dance that claimed many innocent Igbo youths. Thank God for the miraculous escape of our leader. When our leader set up Eastern Security Network (ESN), following the failure of the weak Southeast governors to protect the people, instead of supporting him, you connived with the federal government to hunt down our men, staking their lives to protect our ancestral land. Now, the Fulani you hated your brothers to protect have risen to kill your subjects in return. Why shed crocodile tears? They are your friends and one Nigeria brothers. Why haven't you ordered for their arrest? The same way you governors approved of the ongoing slaughter against our men at Olo, okay? You hate your own and protect your enemy. Clean your tears and live with your one Nigeria brothers. Stop lamenting. We warned you but it took us for a while, for a ride, because of your worthless, selfish political ambition. Comrade Ima Powerful, Media and Publicity Secretary for Indigenous People of Biafra. Whoa, that was quite a long one. And looking at what my powerful is saying, it's actually taking a retrospect of all the happenings that took place in Southeast and how they had actually hoped and prayed that Southeastern governors will be on the same page with them. But looking at what they have said, two wrongs don't make a right. If you want to go by any which way, the fact that Governor David Umahi has looked around and realized that maybe it was unwise to have, ostracized his own people just to protect, in the bid of keeping the unity of the country one. He has not really done, uh, if you ask me, he's just trying to be a true democratic governor. And don't forget that he was elected under the constitution of Nigeria, not under the constitution of Biafra. So he's actually first answerable to a Nigerian government before he start thinking of all that. But unfortunately, right now things are getting haywire. Things are getting bad. I would plead, just like no matter what some persons will say, no matter um how wonderful chaos is, peace is better. Peace is cheaper. Peace is worth it. Peace is what everyone should fight for, what we should look out for. That we begin, anyone begins to exchange words, you're right, no, you're wrong, the region will pay for it. I wouldn't want a situation where we keep hearing South is at like another south, northeast or northern part of Nigeria that has been suffering so much insecurity. But my powerful has actually opened up open wounds and is saying that is it worth it? I think right now Nigeria needs to heal. Every as many of us, one way or the other, we have been hurt in one form or the other. Please, for the sake of peace, for the sake of oneness of heart, let's just forgive and move on. But the challenge now is, if you say they should all forgive, everybody should move on. What about these bandits that have shown signs of not repenting, but only repenting by virtue of one or two words they've said, but their actions depict something different? Well, my powerful have spoken extensively on this and is saying you should wipe his tears. That's Governor David Umahi. That's for Ebonyi State. Others are still on the pipeline. But let's go and wrap it up. Let's put in that comment section, please. What's your take on what Ima Powerful